Hello everybody, welcome to Steve McDonald's Arts and Crafts. Now, what I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to be doing some Christmas baubles ready for Christmas. So Merry Christmas everybody. I hope it's everything that you want it to be. It's actually October here now, so it's not quite Christmas, but I'm getting ready. So what I intend to do is do a resin pour over the plastic baubles, and then allow that to drip down, and then add some glitter to it to make them quite Christmassy. So please enjoy this video, and I hope you like how they come out at the end. See you in a minute. I've had these in these little pots now, and as you can see it is quite thick, and I've probably had it in these little pots for about 30 minutes. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pour it on the top like this, okay, and let it do what it wants to do to start with. Okay, I think that might be enough on that one. And I am going to get a few bubbles popping up in this. Okay. Then what I'm going to do is lift them up like this and allow it to move around a little bit more. So it needs a bit more on here. Because what I don't want to do is I don't want to just have a even line going anywhere. I don't mind if it's a thick drip, a bit like me really, but what I don't want is it to be just coating the whole, say half of the bottom of the bauble. Now, because I've put it onto these shot glasses, what I'm hoping it will do is when it gets to the centre of this bauble, it will in fact, rather than run round and stick to the thing, it will just drip off onto my silicone mat. Okay. So these are all finished now, and I'm really quite pleased with how they've come out. They have all cured, and when the tops are on, they're actually very pretty. If I can get the top on. So they hang quite nicely, and they are actually quite pretty. But I do think they need something else to set them off. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some glitter on them, and I'm going to put some glitter in the clear space and see what it comes out like. I think it's going to look really pretty. So let's get on with that. So I'm going to use PVA glue to start with, and the one I'm going to use first is the antique gold, and I'm going to put a mid blue in this. So I'm using a PVA glue on the area where I want the glitter to be. Okay, and I'm just brushing that on because this will dry clear anyway, which is great. And I use PVA glue for lots of different things. So I'm going to go up and round the top as well. I'm not just going to go up to the top of the drips. I'm going around the top as well. Okay, so I'm going to speed this up now. I'm sure the last thing you want is to see me sitting here painting PVA glue. Okay, talk to you in a minute. So the balls have now finished. I'm really pleased how they come out. I can't wait to get these on my Christmas tree. And the glitter's all nice and stuck down now. So I need to clear up the glitter that I made a mess with earlier. So yeah, the glitter stuck, and as you can see, they've come out really well. I'm very pleased with them. Please let me know in the comments what you think, because I think they've come out lovely. And they'll look great on my tree at Christmas. So, happy Christmas. If you're watching this at Christmas. If not, if you're watching this in October, happy October. And I'll see you soon. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like and share this video as much as you can to help my channel grow. Bye.